Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Christina, your fashion and beauty advisor. I was away for a week because I had a flu and I completely lost my voice. You can tell that it's still loading and it's on 90% currently. I hope I'll get that back soon. However, I do not want to miss another week. And 3 days away from the Oscars, I want to show you my representation of my favorite look from the Oscars, and this precisely is Kim Kardashian's look, wet look. So firstly, I want to apply a quite thick layer of this magic foundation from Charlotte Tilbury on my face, using this brush. So I'm just gonna go underneath my eye. I want to seal with this powder, which is an invisible powder makeup by Estée Lauder. And of course I'm gonna go on top again to conceal the rest of the blemish and spots. Under the eyes, I want to use the Retoucher Conceal and Treat stick. They come, I think, in 2 or 3 different consistency depending on what coverage you want to achieve. So this one is more light consistency, it's like a lighter one, and it's in color 3 medium. As you can see, it's not that light, it's not that different than the color of my face, as I don't really want that white spot under my eyes. And at this stage, when I have my skin and complexion even out, remember guys, Kim Kardashian is the queen of the contouring, so I cannot just skip this part because this is a very typical feature of Kim Kardashian. So basically I'm gonna take Anastasia Beverly Hills Walnut Stick Foundation and draw a line from up here, draw a very sharp angle by doing this so that you have this lift effect of your cheekbones. Even though your cheekbones might start a little bit lower than the actual line, just do that. We are going to cheat the high cheekbones and the lift effect. So I'm gonna do exactly the same on the other side. If you want to make your jawline smaller, you can do that here under the jaw. I would say here. I'm just gonna blend this one first with the blending tool, the sponge. Make sure that you blend out this very well. And I'm going to do more of the contouring in the end with the contour kit. But now I'm just gonna jump onto the eyebrows. So the eyebrows of Kim Kardashian's are quite thick and quite curvy here. So I'm gonna try to achieve that. First, I'm gonna draw a very thin line with this pencil BROWFOOD on the charcoal side. And here on top, I really want my eyebrow to go up to here, and then from there, curve it down. So now that I have the shape, I am going to fill the gaps with this color right here, and probably I'm gonna use some of those colors from the Urban Decay, because it's more like of a brownish, darkish, grayish color of the undertone of the color of her eyebrows. So I'm gonna try first with this one, Undone, and see how it's gonna turn out. You can also brush this part here up with clear gel, soap, or anything that you have for eyebrows, so that you have this effect, and basically have your eyebrows thicker in this part, narrowing down here, and still like what a thick line, and to create that clean, sharp effect under the eyebrows. I'm just gonna take like a very light foundation and with an angle brush base of the eyeshadow. I'm going to use the same palette, Naked 2 from Urban Decay, and I'm going to take this Primal color. I'm gonna take also the other one, the slightly darker, and just go very close to the lash and into the crease. Here where the crease is, I'm going to blend it with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, and I want to use this color right here that is slightly brown reddish, and just go into the crease and smoke it out. You can use a fluffier brush, but don't extend too much. Just blend it with the rest of the color. Up next is the eyeliner. And the shape of it, I want to keep it quite straight, not that much curvy. So basically just want to elongate the eye. I don't want to have a lift effect or anything else. So basically start from the inner corner, follow the lash line, and have just a little flick up to here. So I'm going to use the Blacktrack from MAC and this brush, and I'm gonna demonstrate. So this is more or less the shape that I want to create. So now I'm going to refine and connect all the lines. So I'm just gonna first fill in this section with the Charlotte Tilbury Bedroom Black. I'm gonna fill the inner corner and under the upper lash line. Once I have the eyeliner ready, I'm jumping onto the eyelashes. Kim Kardashian's eyelashes are very long and curvy, so basically she doesn't really need fake lashes, but I'm pretty sure they apply fake lashes here and there so that her look is perfect. But I'm going to curl my lashes with the Lauder Mercier, as this is one of the main features here are the lashes. So basically I'm going to take this Lauder Mercier eyelash curler. I think this is the best curler I've ever used, to be honest. Sometimes I don't even use mascara, I just curl my lashes and I just leave them like that. So you can do the same with the lower lash, because Kim Kardashian's lower lashes are also very long and curvy. Once I applied few coats of mascara and the fake eyelashes on, I'm moving on to the lipstick. The lipstick in her case and the actual picture on Instagram is an advert to her collection. On my occasion though, I'm going to use a different color because I do not have any of her lipsticks. So I'm going to use the Yash matte lipstick and a super smooth, long-lasting 17 lip liner, which is in color 01 Bear. Kim Kardashian normally likes to have a darker color lip liner and then a very light lipstick, which she kinds of blend. On this occasion I can tell that the lip liner and the lipstick is matching. Maybe I'm going to use first the Yash lipstick and then on top I'm using a Charlotte Tilbury one. I'm going into contouring now, so I'm gonna use the Liquid Glow Anastasia Beverly Hills as a highlighter. I want loads of highlighter. I'm going to take also the bronze highlighter. I also want to take the Charlotte Tilbury on top, basically have more like a matte finish because this is too shiny for every day. And that will be final look as long as I do my hair and then I will be finished. But that is the actual makeup look from the Oscars 2020 Kim Kardashian.